Google Analytics is a free web analytics service provided by Google. This service is used to measure the performance of websites and mobile applications and to understand user behavior. By tracking the interactions that users make on websites, Google Analytics measures the performance of the websites. These interactions include page views, visit duration, bounce rate, which pages users enter, and how much time they spend on them. The main features of Google Analytics are as follows: measuring and tracking site traffic, providing information about the demographic characteristics, interests, and behaviors of site visitors, tracking when and with which devices visitors access the site, monitoring different traffic sources such as search engines, social media, and other websites, tracking on-site search data, measuring and tracking sales data on e-commerce sites. Google Analytics offers many different reporting options for websites and mobile applications. These reports help site owners better understand the performance of their websites and help them make improvements to their sites. Important tips to keep in mind when using Google Analytics. Define your goals. Before using Google Analytics, it's important to define your goals for your website or mobile application. This will help you choose the appropriate metrics to measure and analyze. Focus on relevant metrics. With so many metrics available in Google Analytics, it's easy to get lost in the data. Focus on the metrics that are relevant to your goals and avoid getting bogged down in irrelevant data. Set up filters. Setting up filters can help ensure that your data is accurate and free from spam and other unwanted traffic. Use annotations. Annotations can help you remember important events or changes that may have affected your website's performance. Utilize custom reports. Custom reports can help you focus on specific data points and make it easier to analyze your website's performance. Keep track of changes. Make note of changes made to your website or mobile application and track their impact on your analytics data. Stay up to date. Google Analytics is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest features and changes to the platform. By following these tips, you can effectively use Google Analytics to gain insights into your website or mobile application's performance and make data-driven decisions to improve it. Analyzing Google Analytics metrics involves several steps. Define your goals. Before analyzing any data, you should define your goals for your website or mobile application. This will help you choose the appropriate metrics to measure and analyze. Identify key metrics. Identify the metrics that are relevant to your goals and focus on those. Some commonly used metrics include page views, bounce rate, session duration, conversion rate, and exit rate. Segment your data. Use segmentation to break down your data into smaller, more specific groups. This can help you identify patterns and trends that may not be apparent in your overall data. Compare data over time. Look at your data over time to identify trends and changes. You can use Google Analytics built-in date comparison feature to compare data for different time periods. Use visualizations. Use charts, graphs, and other visualizations to help you better understand your data. Google Analytics provides several built-in visualization options, including line graphs, pie charts, and bar charts. Identify areas for improvement. Use your analysis to identify areas for improvement on your website or mobile application. This could include improving page load times, optimizing your content for search engines, or improving your conversion funnel. By following these steps, you can effectively analyze your Google Analytics metrics and use the insights gained to improve the performance of your website or mobile application. To connect Google Analytics to your website, you need to follow these steps. Create a Google Analytics account. If you don't already have a Google Analytics account, go to the Google Analytics website and create a new account. Set up a property. Once you have a Google Analytics account, you need to set up a new property for your website. This will generate a unique tracking code that you will need to add to your website. Add the tracking code to your website. Copy the tracking code generated by Google Analytics and add it to your website. The code should be added to every page you want to track, usually in the head section of your website's HTML code. Verify tracking. After adding the tracking code to your website, you should verify that it's working correctly. You can use the real-time reports in Google Analytics to see if data is being collected from your website. Once you have completed these steps, Google Analytics will start tracking data from your website, and you will be able to view reports on your website's performance in your Google Analytics account. Using Google Analytics is to regularly monitor and analyze your data, but to also keep in mind that data is only one part of the picture. It's important to use your data to inform your decisions, but you should also consider other factors such as user feedback and industry trends. Additionally, make sure you are tracking the right metrics that align with your business goals. Avoid getting lost in vanity metrics that may not actually help you improve your website or mobile application. Finally, take advantage of Google Analytics' powerful reporting features to gain insights into your website or mobile application's performance. Use the data you collect to make data-driven decisions that can help you optimize your website or mobile application for better user experiences and business results.